Hi everyone, my name is Amina and I've created this channel to share strategies and routine and advice for personal development. So if you have questions you would like me to answer, just leave a comment below and I will reach out. So for this video I would like to talk about morning routines. We usually hear that we need to have a morning routine, a practice that we do every morning so we can feel strong and we can go out and go to the world and not fall apart. So I thought it would be a great idea to share my practice, what I usually do in the morning. So depending on the day, I usually wake up between 4 and 5 a.m. in the morning, but that's not every day. And the first thing that I do is to brush my teeth and get ready for some workout. I do my best to move my body in the morning because that helps me to start to burn calories and to feel great, and to feel active. Before doing that, I like to change my clothes. Of course, I'm not gonna work out in my pajamas, of course. So I change my clothes and then I start doing some stretching. So because I don't want to start working out and go hard with tired back. In the morning when you wake up, you're not always in great shape, so I believe that stretching is really good. It helps my muscles and it helps me to get ready to start working out. So after stretching, I do some legs work and arms and abs. It's not full body workout, it's not a long workout. It's usually around 10 minutes, so I don't sweat a lot. And because of that, I can write in my journal. So I take about 10 minutes, maybe 15, to write in my journal and reflect and things like that. And after that, I read some inspiring books to give me another perspective, so that way I start the day in a great way instead of with bad news or whatever. I try to do 5-minute meditation. It's really hard when you're not used to it because you have to focus your mind and avoid engaging in the thought that comes, and it's not always easy. Sometimes when I'm meditating, I'm trying to schedule my day. This is not what we want to do. We want to be still, we want to be silent, and we don't want to engage in any thoughts. But it's not because it's hard that you won't continue. You have to practice until you become better. So I keep doing it. After that, I pray. I try to pray for about 5-10 minutes. Usually it's around 10 minutes. And I do a visualization exercise, about my project. I try to see myself in maybe 5-10 years where I will be. This is very inspiring and it is very motivating when you can do this on the regular. So yeah, that's something I can encourage people to do. Not always easy to keep up with the schedule, but if you do it, it's good. And the last thing that I do for my morning routine is to write on my blog. So I try to write Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's like 5 minutes reading blogs. I don't want to write a long article. Usually I get inspiration from my environment and everything that happens around me, so I write about it. But it's usually for a 5-minute long article. So If you are interested in reading this blog, you will find the link below. And yeah, so this is where I stop, and then I can go and take a shower, get ready for the day, and have breakfast, and then I leave for work. And that was it. So building a morning routine is not really, it's not always easy. It took me some times, and I'm still struggling to keep up with it. But the only thing I can say is that when I respect it, it really helps me to feel great, to feel in great shape. It really helps. So I would encourage you. And another thing is that not everyone feels that they need to have a morning routine. Some people have a night routine. Some people have, I don't know, a noon routine. It all depends on the person. So just find the time that works best for you, and try to build some rituals and some habits that will help you to stay in great shape and help you to be productive, and just to go for the day the best way. That's it for today. And if you like what you saw, subscribe and like the video. And if you are interested in leaving a comment, just do it. So I will see you next time. In the meantime, enjoy your day and see you later. Bye.